In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export form submissions in HubSpot. Exporting your form submissions is a simple way to back up your data, share it with teammates, or analyze results in a spreadsheet. I'll walk you through the exact path in HubSpot and point out a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. Start on your HubSpot home screen after you've signed in. Make sure your user account has permission to view forms and export data. If you can open the Forms tool but don't see an export option later, you may need an admin to adjust your access. From the main navigation at the top, click Marketing. In some accounts, Forms lives under Lead Capture or a similar section within Marketing. Select Forms to open the Forms dashboard. This page lists all your forms, along with status and performance details. Find the specific form you want to export. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name, type, or status. Click the form to open its details. You'll land on a view where you can see performance and submissions related to that form. Look for the Export Submissions button. It's typically near the top of the page. Clicking this prepares a file containing the submissions captured by the selected form. Depending on your account and the form's volume, you may see options to tailor the export, such as choosing the file format or date range. These options don't change the process. Think of them as ways to keep your export focused and manageable if you only need a subset of the data. When you're ready, click Export. HubSpot will begin generating your file. For smaller exports, you may get a download right away. For larger ones, HubSpot may email you a link or notify you in-app when the file is ready. If you're waiting on an email, check your notifications and your spam or junk folder just in case. While the export processes, you can continue working in HubSpot. You don't need to keep the page open. Your export will typically be a CSV or spreadsheet file. Each row represents a single submission, and the columns reflect the fields on your form, along with system fields like submission time and source. Open the file in your preferred tool to filter, sort, and analyze. If you're sharing the data, remember to handle any personal information securely and follow your organization's privacy policies. That's all there is to it. Home, marketing, forms, pick your form, export submissions, and export. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.